Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 22a Claring-Bould Road in Christies Beach. This is quite an unusual home. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, easy care allotment, but single story and really easy to get into and park, and it's got beautiful natural light. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. It's a fantastic home in a great little spot, and it's so hard to find these single story homes in such a good location for this sort of price. It's going to suit all of the first home buyers and the investors, and you're absolutely going to love it. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.